Hello, good evening my dear students. Welcome back to Joshi Tutorials. You see I am continuing here 1.3 exercise, 1.3 exercise, 16th May. You refer back to my previous videos, up to 15 I have covered it. Now this is 16th May exercise 1.3, right? Okay, see what the question says here. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used. What for? To give 7 prizes to the students of a school for their overall academic performance, which during the whole year, observing their performance, the management want to distribute the prizes for 7 students. So the price is fixed, that is 700. The total sum within 700 rupees you have to distribute to the 7 students. Now if each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price. Suppose the first person gets 100 rupees, so the next person will get 20 rupees less. That is the meaning of this. Price, find the value of each prize. Means each student, how much amount he has to get, he will get, that we have to find it out. Okay, see this is what is the question. The understanding of the question is, there are some students in the school, of some school, and the management has decided to distribute the prizes for the 7 students observing their complete academic year performance, right? So what is the amount, or say the budget fixed? The budget is 700 rupees, right? This 700 has to be distributed among 7 prizes. That means 7 students. That means calculate what is the each students, what each students will get the prize. This is one thing. Now the condition is given here is every prize is 20 rupees less than the preceding price. Understood? So, okay. How to solve this? Let the first price is equal to P will be. P stands for price. Okay. So P, let us take P. Now what will be the second price? Second price is P, 20 rupees less. That means 20 rupees less. Suppose our P value is 100 minus 20, the second student will get 80. The third students will get 80 minus 20 again 60, something like that, right? Okay, second price is 20. I told you already minimum 3 terms we have to find it out. Okay, what the third student will get? Third price is equal to P minus 20, because this is the second price, less than that. That means again minus 20, right? So what about this? This is nothing but 40. This is what the 3 terms, right? You can continue, but 3 are enough. Now what is our A in this case? A is equal to P, that is our first term. What is D? D is equal to second minus the first one. That means P minus 20 minus this P. Understood? That is A2 minus A1. This is our first, means this is A1. Second means A2. Third means A3, and so on up to 7. Okay, so here it is A2 minus A1. This is A2 and this is A1. Now what is our answer here? D is equal to plus P minus P get cancelled. This is minus 20. So minus 20 is the common difference. What is this 700? 700 you have to take it as S7 is equal to 700. Right? So what we have to find? Each price means up to 7 terms we have to find out. A1, A2, A3 and so on. Up to A7 we have to find it out. Okay. To find that, see what we have to do first. S7 is equal to, right? P we have taken, it is in unknown terms. We have to find the value of first term. So S7 is equal to N by N means it is 7 divided by 2. Formula I hope that you know, so directly I am substituting for the values. Here, or for example, this only. let it be 2a plus n minus 1 d, right? Here this is what is our S7 here. So S7 is equal to 2a plus n is 7. So here S7 n by 2 is 7 by 2, 2a plus 7 minus 1 minus 20 bracket close. So S7 is 700 rupees is equal to 7 by 2, 2 a we don't know, plus 7 minus 1 is 6, 6 2s are 12, that means 0, 120. But here see, 7 minus 1 is plus 6, into minus is minus here. So minus 120. Here 7 ones are 700s are. This will go up. That means here 100 into 2 is equal to 2a minus 120. So this is 200. Send this 120 to here. Plus 120 is equal to 2a. So this is 320 is equal to 2a. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 6 are 0. That means our a value is 160. What it indicates? A means first prize, the first student. The first prize is 160. Now we know D. D is how much? Minus 20. That means we can find out all the 7 terms. A is already known. Now we'll go for A2, A3 and so on. Okay. A2 is equal to, that means it is second prize. A2 is equal to A2 is equal to A plus D. That means A is 160 plus of minus 20. So here A2 is equal to 160 minus 20. That is equal to 140. Greater numbers are in plus sign. What is A3? A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A is 160 plus of plus 2 minus 20, right? Here A3 is equal to 160 minus 40. A3 is equal to 120, right? Now A4. A plus 3D. A4 160 plus 3 into minus 20. So A4 is equal to 160 minus 60, that is 100. Now A5, A plus 4D, 160 minus 4 minus 20. So A5 is equal to 160 minus 80, that means it is 80. A6 is equal to A plus 5D, that means 160 plus of 5 into minus 20. So here A6 is equal to 160 minus 100, that is 60. Lastly, A7 is equal to A plus 6D, which is equal to 160 plus 6 into minus 20. This is equal to, see here, next here I write 160 minus 6 2s are 120. That means answer is 40. So here, just understand here, the first term, that is A. A is 160. That means first student will get 160. Second student will get 140. Third will get 120. Fourth will get 100. Fifth will 80. And 60. The last student will get 40. Now I will go for 17th May.